Nature Symphony Number 8, A Walk in the Woods. I walk in the woods, a very pleasant view, but what's even better, a symphony of sounds. Rat-a-tat-tat, rat-a-tat-tat, rat-a-tat-a-rat-a-tat-a, rat-tat-tat. A jazzy woodpecker drums out a song. The crickets hum sweetly, like strings in the orchestra, playing a special tune that fills me with happiness. I reach a stream. The water rolls over the rocks in triplets, making rippling harpsichord sounds. With a swish and a swoosh, a dragonfly buzzes by. The breeze from its wings caresses my face. A flying fan, I think. A chipmunk runs a staccato scale, short, scurrying feet, gliding through the dead leaves. I love to listen to the song of the woods. It really moves me inside. I hear beauty in nature. I hear harmony in the forest. I hear peace.